Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn how to use Python modules and Python packages during development. And first, let's see how to use a Python module within another Python module. So to do that, I use these two Python modules, which is application.py Python module and test.py Python module. So I'm going to use this application.py Python module inside of this test.py Python module. So I have created a function inside of the application Python module. Now I'm going to use this function inside of this test Python module. To use Python functions or classes inside of another Python module, we need to use that name with import keyword. So put import keyword and Python file name. Now we have successfully imported this application Python module. Now to go into that application Python module, we need to use that module name and dot. Then now we are inside of that Python module. So you can see here inside of that Python module we have a function called add numbers. So hit enter. Now this function takes two parameters, number 1 and number 2. Now we need to pass two values to those parameters. I put 5 and 3. Now you can see the output by running this application. Now this function takes those two values and add them together and print on the console. So you can see now we will get 8 as our result. Now let's run this Python file. Now you can see here we get 8. So now we have successfully imported another Python module and we have executed a function that is inside of that Python module. So now let's see how to use Python packages. Package is a folder that contains many Python modules. So each can contain 100 and or 1000 of Python modules. So in this Python package, I have created two Python modules. First one is init.py and module 1.py. So this init.py uses when we have some classes inside of other Python modules, so we don't need to import this one, and we need to look at this module 1.py. You can see here is also a function. This function takes two numbers as parameters and print them to the console. So now let's see how to use that function inside of the module 1. Also this module 1 is inside of a package. So how do we get into this package? To get into this package, we need to use from keyword. Now we need to put our package name. So in this case my package name is also package. Now we need to import our module. So my module name is module 1. This tells to the interpreter import module 1 from package. So it's look at this package and imports this module 1 into this test.py Python module. So to use function that is inside of that module 1, we need to use our module name module 1 and put dot to get into that module 1. So you can see it shows us we have a function inside of that module named show numbers. Now select that and hit enter. Now we need to pass two numbers because that function gets two numbers and print them to the console. So we pass 5 and 6 as those numbers. When I run this one, then you will get the result 5 and 6 on the console. You can see, yeah, we get 5 and 6. So this is all for this video, guys. Now you know how to use Python modules and Python packages during Python application development. So if you have any question about this, please put it down in the comment section below and share this video to others to know about this. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's meet from another video.